There are places in our lives that leave an indelible mark. They are part of who we are and who we will become. Places that draw us back to reconnect with the most important things. Places to rekindle the joys of the past and make new discoveries to excite tomorrow. And our place is Fair Hill.
The Nature Center is more than just a building, a barn, or some land. It's all the people who share the love of engaging, educating, and exploring. Whether starting a day with a foxtrot or ending it with a frenzy of seeing frogs, the Nature Center has always been a heartbeat of activity and a pillar of our community.
At the Nature Center, we've raced through the ups and downs.
And we've gone with the flow of the changing world around us.
Because everyone here knows that our mission reaches beyond four seasons.
For decades, we've cherished this special place, and we wouldn't trade those memories for anything.
But now, we're building the next generation of the Fair Hill Nature Center.
And we're pretty excited about that too.